Today I am going to teach you linear equations. What is the meaning of linear and equations? The linear means if any equation have its degree 1, then equation is linear. Or in equation, it has two statements. One is before the equal sign and next one is the after the equal. Equation means if it have the both statements and there is using the sign of equality, then it is called the linear equation. If without sign of equality, it is not equation and there should be single statement, but the result should be something as variable or constant. And we are saying variable means as if its ability is varying or vary plus able. It means its ability is varying the value. So we call it variable. If its value if its value may be changed or can be changed, can be changed, then it's changed or चेंज बदलती रहती है चेंज then it is called variable. Generally we take the variables as x, y, z, sometimes a, b, c also. This way, these are letters or symbols. These are variables. And equation, it has two statements, statements and sign of equality. And we can write 2x plus 5 equal to 3x minus 7. We have two variables, but we will study only one variable as x plus 5, x minus 5 equal to 0. It is also equation or y 2y plus 14 equal to 4. Now, or we can write 24 also. These are called equation. Here we are saying power is 1 and sign of equality is also used, and here are two statements. Now we are going to solve the equations with the help of given questions in our syllabus. Now we will solve it. Now I am going to solve the following equations and verify it also. There are some rules to solve the equations. Sometimes we use the transposing rule. When we transpose, then we change the sign, plus to minus and minus to plus. If we change the side. Now we are going to solve the first questions. First question, not first question. Now here is given 4 in the bracket m minus 9 equal to 12. Now because here it is in multiplication, so we will divide it, and here is division, then we multiply it. If here is plus, then we minus. Here is plus, then we minus. Here it is minus, then plus. As we are seeing here, 4 is multiplied to m minus 9. So first we dividing by 4 both sides. As we are seeing here, 4 m minus 9 equal to 12. Now we divide by 4. It is also, and it is also. Now 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. We are finding here m minus 9 equal to 3. Now we transpose minus 9, and as we write in the right side, and we change its signs minus to plus, and m equal to 3 plus 9, because we have transposed 9 to the right side, so we have changed the sign. Therefore m equal to b, its value be 12. Thus we have found out the value of m. Now we want to verify it. In the verification, then verification is this, as we write the equation as it is and put the value which we have found as 4 into m minus 9 equal to 12, as 4 into m is 12, 12 minus 9 equal to 12. Now we are seeing here 12 minus 9, it is 3, then 4 into 3, it will be 12. Now we are seeing 12 equal to 12. We can write left hand side equal to right hand side. It means our solution is correct. Now we are going to solve the next question. Here we are seeing question number second, 5 by minus 6 by 2 equal to 7. So we can write here in denominator 1, and by the cross product. What we will do here? Cross product. As CROSS, cross product. Now we multiply by cross, and like this we can say in Hindi, तिरछा गुणा. Now 5y minus 6 equal to 2 into 7. Now we see here 5y minus 6 equal to 14. Now we are seeing here is constant and variables both, but we want to find the value of y, so we transpose to the right minus 6, and by we can write here by transposing also, transposing as right minus 6 to the right side, right side. This way we can write here. Now we transpose 5y equal to 14 plus 6, or 5y equal to 20. Now we are seeing in 5 in multiplication, so we divide both sides by 5, dividing dividing by 5 both sides. Now we divide here by 5 and here also by 5. 5 1 जा 5 cancel. 5 equal to 5 1 जा 5. 5 4 जा 20. It is 4. Thus we have found out the value of y. It is 4. Now we verify it in the verification as we write the given equation 5y minus 6 by 2 equal to 7. Now put the value of y. It is 4. Now we 5 into 4 minus 6 by 2 equal to 7. Now we say 5 4 is 20. Now we write here 20 minus 6 by 2 equal to 7. See here 20 minus 6, it is 14. 14 by 2 equal to 7. Here 2 7 is 14, or we can write 7 equal to 7. This way we have verified. Now we are going to solve the next question as question number 3rd. Here we are seeing z upon 2 plus z upon 3 plus z upon 4. Here variable is 1, but there is need to find the LCM. Then we find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Then we write here 2, 3 and 4. LCM will be 2 1 is 2, 3 is not divisible, 2 2 is 4. Then we again divide by 2, 1 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 2 1 is 2. Then we divide by 3, 1 is not divisible, 3 1 is 3. Now 1 is not divisible. Now we have got at last 1 and 1 1. Then LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. It will be 12. So we write here left side LCM, it is 12. 2 6 is 12. 6 1 is 6. 6 z plus 3 4 is 12. So it will be 4z plus 4 3 is 12. It will be 3z equal to 13. Now we add this. Here is 13z by 12 equal to 13. Now by cross product we will put right here 1 and right here by cross product as cross product PR product. So we will multiply this one as 12 into 13. 13z equal to 13. Then 13 into 12. Now z equal to dividing by 13. Both the sides. So 13 into 12 by 13. 13 1 is 13. Now we see here z equal to 12. Now we verify it. Here we verify. The verification is this verification. This will verify z by 2 plus z by 3 plus z by 4 equal to 13. So we write the value of z. This we have found it. It is 12. 12 by 2 plus 12 by 3 plus 12 by 4 equal to 13. Now 4 3 is 12. 3 4 is 12. 2 6 is 12. Now we are seeing 6 6 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 13. Now we add this side also. Then 13 equal to 13. LHS equal to RHS. Thus we have finite both sides are equal. Now we have verified by the solution also. Now we are going to solve the next question. As we are seeing here, variable is x and we want to find the value of x. Now we transpose a constant to the right side, and solution is this way. We will solve here, and x by 5, it is equal to 1 by 15 minus 11. We can write here 1 also by 11 and take the LCM. It will be 15. 15 1 the 15 and 1 1 the 1 minus 10. 1 15 the then 15 into 11. 15 1 the 15, 1 carry. 15 and 1 16. Now we are seeing here x by 5 equal to x by 5 equal to minus, because positive value is less and minus is more, so we will find the difference. It will be 4, 6 and 1. It will be divided. So be here denominator it is 5. Now by cross product x will be now minus 164 multiplied by 5 and dividing by 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. Now it is not possible to cancel it. Now we will write here as minus 164 by 3. Now we change into mixed because it is improper. Then 3 5 the 15. Now here will be 1, it is 14. Then 3 4 the 12 and 2 will remainder, it is minus 54 and 2 by 3. Thus we have found this. Now if we want to verify it, now as we have verified first, this one also we can verify. Now we are going to solve the question number 3. As we are seeing in the left hand side, there are two terms, so we will take LCM. As solution of this one is take LCM of 3 and 5. It be 15. 3 5 the 15. Then we will multiply by 5 the numerator. 2x minus 1 minus 5 3 the 15. So it will multiplied by 3. 6x minus 2. Now it will 1 by 2. Now we break the bracket and simplify it. As we are going to the next step, 5 to the 10, 10x minus 5 minus, so 5 3 6 is 18, 18x plus 3 to the 6 by 15 equal to 1 by 2. Now we see here plus 10x minus 18x. Here will remain it be minus 8x and minus 5 plus 6. It will be 1. Now it will by 15. 1 by 2 by cross product. Now we multiply this way as we are writing here cross product. As we are saying, now 15 1 is 15 and 2 into minus 8x plus 1 equal to 15 into 1. Now it will be minus minus 16x plus 2 equal to 15. Now we see here and write it as minus 16x equal to 15 minus 2. Now it will be minus 16x equal to 13. Now we find the value of x, so dividing by minus 16 as it will be 13 by minus 16. Now we are going to the next step. Now we are going to verify it as we have found x equal to minus 13 by 16. Now we put the value in equation as 2x minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 6x minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Now we put the value of x here and we are finding 2 into minus 13 by 16 minus 1 by 3 minus 6 into minus 13 by 16 minus 2 by 5, it will be equal to 1 by 2. Now we are seeing 2 1 2, 2 8 the 16, 2 8 the 16 and 2 3 the 6, 2 8 the 16. Now we multiply and solve it. Now minus 13 by 8, 13 by 8 minus 1 by 3 minus 13 3 is 39 minus 39 by 8 minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Now we take the LCM in denominator, in the numerator, not in the denominator, in the numerator as we will write as it is and LCM be 8. Now minus 13 minus 8, then minus here 8 LCM be 8 as minus 39 and minus 8 to the 16 by 5. Here it is by 3. Here it is by 5. So we will write here 1 by 2. As we are seeing here, now all the terms are negative, then minus minus plus here as then minus 21 by 24. Now we write here plus, then put here 6 and 9, 15 and 1, 2 and 3, it is 2 and 3, it is also 5 because both minus sign also here and it will be minus, so it will be plus also. Then right here it 5 the 40. Now it should be 1 by 2. Now if it is possible, we can cancel also. 3 7 the 21, 3 8 the 24, 5 11 the 5, 8 the 40. Now we see here it be as 8 and minus 7 plus 11 equal to 1 by 2. Now 11 is positive, 7 is negative. Now we see here as 4 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. As we see here, 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Or we can say left hand side equal to right hand side. This way we have verified. Now we are going to solve the next question. Question number 6. As it is written here, 3 into 5 x plus 7 in the bracket. Now 2 into in the bracket 9x plus 11 equal to 45. First we find the value of x and then we verify. As we breaking the bracket, solution of this one is as 3 5 the 15, 15x plus 3 7 the 21 plus 2 9 the 18 x plus 2 11 the 22 equal to 45. Now we see here 15 and 18, it is 33, 33x. Now it is 21 and 22, it will be 3 and 43. Now 43 equal to 45. Now we transpose it. 33 equal to 45 minus 43. Now 33x equal to 2. Now x equal to 2 by 33. Now we have found out the value of x. Now we are going to verify it. Solve the question number 7. Add 3 into 5x plus 7 plus 2 into 9x minus 11 equal to 45. Now we solve it and find the value of x. 3 5 ja 15, 15x, 3 7 ja 21 plus 2 9 ja 18x minus 2 11 ja 22. Now it is given here 45 as 15 plus 18x, it is 33x. Now here will be minus 1 because minus value is greater, so we will find the difference. Now it is 45. Now here is 33x equal to 45 plus 1 by transposing. Therefore x equal to 46 by 33. Now we have found the value of x. It is 46 by 33. Now we are going to verify it. Now we will write it again as 3 into 5x plus 7 plus 2 into 9x minus 11 equal to 45. Now we will put the value of x as x equal to 46 by 33. Now we write here 3 into 5 into 46 upon 33 plus 7. It is plus 2 into 9 into 46 upon 33 minus 11 equal to 45. Now we see here it is not possible to cancel. Now we will multiply by 3 and solve it. Now 3 into 5 into 46 by 33 plus 3 7 ja 21 plus 2 into 9 into 46 by 33 minus 11 to the 22 equal to 45. Now 3 3 the 9, 3 1 1. Now we see here 3 1 3 1 1. Now 5 into 46, 5 6 the 30, 5 4 the 20. It will be 23 by 11 minus now plus 21. Now see here as 6 6 is the now 6 6 the 36. Now 6 4 the 24, 24 and 3 27 by 11 minus 22 equal to 45. Now we see here 22 is greater value and it is negative. Now we see here 230 by 11 plus as 276 by 11 minus 1 equal to 45. Now we see here as 500, it is 6 by 11 minus 1 equal to 45. Now we see here 11 4 the 44, 11 6 the 46 minus 1 equal to 45. Now we see here it is 4 46 and 46 minus 1 it is 45 equal to 45. Now it is left hand side equal to right hand side. This way we have verified and find the value of x also.